Welcome to this adorable and updated home in an ideal setting on more than 12.5 peaceful acres. It's surrounded by gorgeous scenery with Oregon's wine country just minutes from home. The long private drive takes you to this dream property, complete with its own baseball field, your own field of dreams, even a batting cage, and plenty of room for all of your outdoor pursuits. Relax on the front deck in this private setting. Or head inside and discover a light-filled, inviting interior with new paint, flooring, and an open concept design. The updated kitchen with a large cooktop island, farmhouse sink, and plenty of storage is ready for the chef and the family. Beautiful built-ins frame the dining room. A sunny bedroom or office has access to the deck. All bedrooms are on the main level in this home of more than 2,100 square feet. Upstairs, you'll find a generously sized loft, ready for any number of uses. From the large back deck, enjoy cookouts, barbecuing, or just taking in the serene setting, including cherry trees. Plenty of space for your animals, from horses and goats to chickens and more. The turf baseball field is perfect for year-round games or practice, with bleachers, dugouts, and even a scoreboard. Other features include RV parking, a barn, chicken coop, kids' fort, and plenty of power to do whatever you might like on the property. The detached 3-car garage with an office includes storage space with a separate power meter. All this plus great schools with a small-town feel, yet it's close to Salem's downtown. Quiet, peaceful, and serene. Envision all of the possibilities. Don't miss this rare opportunity to make this your dream home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Jesse Peterson with Premier Property Group.